This brand is pretty new for us here in Malaysia. For information, TOZO was founded back in 2015 in Seattle, Washington DC. Their core products are mainly small electronic pieces like earbuds, which I'm reviewing today, smartwatches, power bank, chargers, speakers, and many more. Undeniable, they can be considered a mid brand, but they do make high-end earbuds like the TOZO Golden X1 that features high-res audio, LDAC, and uses knotless balanced armature driver. My buddy at KLGG has reviewed one and it was a great pair of TWS. Do check them out. How about their more accessible price tag ANC earbuds like the TOZO NC7, which I have it here today. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast Review episode 95. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we are looking at the TOZO NC7. What's in the box are some documents. The TOZO NC7 with the earbuds in the case, 3 sets of different sizes of ear tips, and a USB-C charging cable. The TOZO NC7 is a stemless design ANC true wireless stereo earbud that offer up to 32 hours of battery life. It supports USB-C charging as well as Qi wireless charging. Although the case is pretty compact with a small base size, TOZO managed to squeeze in a charging coil into it. The earbuds come with a 70 mAh battery, enabling 10.5 hours of playtime with ANC off and 6.5 hours with ANC turned on. The charging case adds another 3 rounds of chargers. The TOZO NC7 even features an in-ear detection sensor that recognizes when to play or pause when you take the earbuds off or put them on. Coming to sound quality, the 9.2mm dynamic drivers is exceptionally good. It has clean mids and high. The soundstage is wide, where the voice and instruments separations is apparent. However, the bass is rather overpowered in standard mode. Good to know that this budget TOZO NC7 also comes with a companion app. This allows me to have a quick adjustments on the equalizer when I need them. The ANC and transparent modes works pretty well. It cancels out all the humming noise like from the ceiling fan or from the aircon. As for the transparent mode, it does amplify surround sounds, but it's not as natural as I expected. The touch control on the earbuds covers almost all operations, including switching between ANC, transparent mode, next and previous songs, summoning voice assistant, answering call, and volume control. TOZO claimed the earbuds and the charging case are IPX6 waterproof with nano coating, which efficiently protects them from sweat or water splash. Here are my impressions of the TOZO NC7. It's quite a solid ANC TWS earbuds for its price point. The company isn't shy to throw in all features that include wireless charging, companion app support, long battery life, great sound quality, and all is only cost $69 US. The only drawback is the old Bluetooth 5.0 versions, which probably made it more accessible in terms of price point. Because TOZO is not officially available here in Malaysia, you can purchase it directly from their website or via Amazon. Link will be in the description box. That's all from me on the TOZO NC7. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.